towards a more equitable and just world for all. The world relies on farmers. Thus, despite all hardships, agriculture is the noblest profession. This world, which revolves around many professions, has to revolve only around the agriculture industry. So the
লাইট অ্যান্ড সাউন্ড
agriculture
চলছে
industry is the best, no matter how much suffering is there.
अरे ये देख लो ना
In
यहाँ
a
से
community
कैसे
devoid of equity, there can be neither excellence nor prosperity.
এখানে লাইট অ্যান্ড সাউন্ড চলছে
All beings are equal by birth.
গ্যালারি
They become unequal through their actions and conduct. By birth, all men are equal. Differences in their actions render their worth unequal. From personal virtues to societal ideals,